folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another great review. This is from Kensington.com. It's the SD4700P USB-C and USB 3.0 Universal Dual 2K Docking Station. This thing's pretty interesting. It'll work with your Windows or Mac devices, so it's universal. And it has a pretty simple setup. You just plug and play, and away you go. It gives you quick connections to transfer audio, video, data, and power. And it supports clean and clutter-free workspaces, accommodating roaming computer environments, flexible workspaces, and the SD4700P was designed for simplicity. It's got DisplayPort /HDMI, so you can have one or the other. And you can support up to 2560 by 1600, that's 2K for a single monitor, or 2048 times 1152 for dual monitors. It's got 6 USB ports, which is pretty cool. 5 are 3.0, and one is a 2.amp fast charging port to power up your tablet or smartphone. It's got a 130 watt power supply adapter that comes with it, a combo 3.5 millimeter headphone and jack, and it's got a gigabyte Ethernet port on it, and Kensington security slots, so you can lock it down and make sure someone doesn't steal it. It's got zero footprint mounting. You can buy an additional option, it's optional, to mount it to the back of your monitor so it gets off your desk and out of your hair. And it's got free Kensington DockWorks software. Enables you to have the best software on it. And it also comes with a optional 60 watt power splitter that you can take and get if you so choose. And it's got all the different little plugs that you can have, variant plugs to take in, charge stuff, and all that good stuff. So really cool that way. A warranty of 3 years. We got a chance to try it out, test it, and yeah, we love it. In fact, we use Kensington docking stations on the current review that I'm doing now on this computer. So definitely go check it out. Go to Kensington.com. Check out the SD4700P. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss says Chris Voss approved. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the show, and we'll see you next time.